Alright, what's guys, Human Coded, and today we're an unboxing of, what cube even is this? Hold up, 1 second. GAM 354M version 2. Oh, okay then. So, thank you so much to Speaker Shop for sending this cube. Let's just get right into it. So before we take a look at the cube, let's take a look at what it came with. Normal GAM pamphlet, and this is probably like my 20th GAM bag at this point. Alright, now the cube. So the original GAM 3x4 was a great puzzle for me. I really liked it, but it was a little bit too small for me. Obviously, this one isn't any better. Yeah, this cube is honestly tiny, but I guess it just really matters how it turns, so let's see my first turns. I think I just got a corner twist. Yep, definitely got a corner twist. Fix that. Okay, so far, first impressions about this cube. So just like every other GAM 3x3 coming out right now, it uses that matte finish, which you love it or hate it. Personally, I really like it. Now this cube feels a lot more tactile than other GAM cubes have in the past. Like you honestly get a lot more feedback with every single turn. As for like fluidity, speed, corner cutting, it's what you expect, you know, from a flagship GAM puzzle. Everything basically works the way it should. I guess the best way to test this cube is to do some solves though. So let's just do the scramble. .4, that's not a great solve for me, honestly. Yeah, right now I am seeming to get a few lockups, honestly. I'm not really getting the best solves right now. Alright, that was pretty good. Alright, that was also pretty good. I definitely think as I'm doing more solves, I'm understanding how this cube moves. The thing I like about this cube the most is that it's really controllable. This one is honestly a bit slower, so I do like that a little bit more. I definitely need to do a few more solves in this cube, obviously, so I'll probably just like an average of 100 today and see how that goes. Let's take a look at corner cutting. So 45 is fine. Goes a little bit more. Okay, corner cutting actually isn't that good. Maybe that's why it locks up a little bit. Alright, but overall thoughts on this cube? It's honestly like basically any other GAM cube out there. To every single one of you guys that have bought a GAM cube, you know what you're getting into, and you're going to be getting a good cube that's going to perform well. What makes this one special is the size, and it's a lot more tactile than the other ones, but other than that, it's a GAM cube, you know? It's a good GAM 3x3, and that's really all you could ask from them. Alright, so that's my unboxing of the GAM 3x4, good cube. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.